Hey family, real talk. Cybersecurity sounds like something for people who own server racks and have 3 monitors. It's not. You've been doing cybersecurity your whole life. You just didn't call it that. You lock your door every night. You check who's there before you open it. And you definitely don't hand your keys to somebody you just met. That's it. That's cybersecurity. Same instinct, different door. Your phone, your laptop, your email, your bank, your photos, your whole identity. Those are doors now. Everything you've built, everything you count on, sitting on a device you use half asleep on the couch. And because it's worth something, somebody out there wants in. Now, the person trying to get in, they are not what the movies told you. Not a genius, not a hoodie, not dramatic music playing in the background. Usually just a person in sweats, eating chips, running the same message to 1,000 different people at once. Same template, new name, send, repeat, all day. They're not hunting you specifically. They're fishing, and they cast a wide net. What they're looking for is whoever bites first, usually the person who's tired, the one who's rushing, the one scrolling without really reading. Every cybersecurity threat on Earth, every single one, comes down to 3 things. 3, that's the whole map. First, confidentiality, keeping private things private, your passwords, your bank info, your personal messages, the photos that are yours and nobody else's. If someone who shouldn't see it can see it, that's a breach of confidentiality. Your private life stays private. That's the whole job of confidentiality. Second, integrity, keeping information accurate. Someone changes your grade, alters your payment amount, tweaks your medical record. You never knew, but it happened. The data's still there. It's just not true anymore. That's an integrity attack. Third, availability, being able to reach your own stuff when you need it. Ransomware locks your files. A system goes down. Your data exists. You just can't get to it. Safe data you can't access isn't actually safe for you. Confidentiality, integrity, availability, the CIA triad. Every breach, every scam, every attack is going after one of those 3 things. That's the whole game. And you protect them with layers. Not panic, not a degree, just layers. Strong password, password manager. So you're not reusing the same one everywhere. 2-factor authentication, a second lock on the door. And the habit that matters more than all of them, slow down. Here's the one thing I need you to carry out of this video. If something feels urgent, and stop. If someone's rushing you, stop. If it feels like pressure, that is the attack. That urgency you feel, it's engineered. Every scam works because it makes you feel like you don't have time to think. The pause is the power. 1 second where you don't click, that's the whole defense. That's it. You don't have to become a hacker to protect yourself. You just need habits that make you harder to fool. And you've already got what it takes. That's why you're here. All right, family. That's enough for today. If this landed for you, stay with me. We're building this together. Understanding first. Tools second. Next time, passwords. What makes one actually strong? How to stop forgetting them. And why your dog's name with a 1 at the end is not it. I'll see you then. We've got this.